Hey all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know, green and white box. You know we're going to be taking a look at something by CRKT. And today, oh my god, am I going to butcher that? The Otanashi Noh Ken? Hopefully I got that close. By James Williams. We're going to kind of round out the whole James Williams family with CRKT. Now I know a lot of you want to see the blade beforehand, but there it is in all of its beauty. That black on black with that really serious look that all of his other blades seem to have. He just changes bits and pieces of them along the way. I had to have it to complete the family. But we're going to get to this guy in all its glory here in just a second. Now, we all know CRKT loves to include a lot of propaganda. Today, they want you to take a look at the Kurt. And hey, we have taken a look at this before on the channel. Take a look right up here. You're going to see a card for every bit of gear review we've ever done. You'll find the Kurt in there. It looks like this guy does have, oh look at that, locking liner and automated liner safeties. Yes, I know this one does have the lock system. We will be discussing that in just a moment. But okay, enough with the propaganda, let's move on. Like I said, the black on black makes it timeless, makes it flawless. The fact with the samurai inspired, you know, with the swooping pattern to be able to go in and keep going, I really, really love that. And like I said, I have brought the whole James Williams CRKT collection to the channel. Take a look right up here. You're going to see all those blades in the everyday affordable carry blades playlist that I have. And you're going to find some of his other hide in plain sight everyday carry gear and that gear review card I showed you a moment ago. Now, I love the fact that this blade was born by a request from SOCOM, which is the Special Operations Command, for a much larger, thinner, folding combat blade that was easy to carry and conceal. Conceal, yeah, because it has a really, really deep pocket clip. But once you put it in your pocket, you know it's there. This thing was designed for one purpose and one purpose only, close quarters combat. And I kind of like that. Now it has an, oh god, I'm going to butcher this, Osoreku style blade, made famous by 16th century samurai warlord Takeda Shingen. Hope I'm saying all that right, guys. If I'm not, please forgive me. James Williams really is deep into samurai culture, self-defense, and prepping, so he draws a lot of his inspiration from those areas for his gear. Alright, let's get into the stats and all the fun stuff like we usually do. It's got an overall length of 10.125 inches. The blade's 4.5, and closed it's about 5.54. It's got a bigger weight to it of 6.2 ounces. Now, depending where you look, per Blade HQ, they call this a clip point blade. Everywhere else I've seen, it's a Japanese Tanto style. So you make your choice from there, okay? It's got a hollow grind with a plain edge, and as you can see by the black corrosion-resistant finish, it just adds something to it. I really love how he does that with his blades, where he writes something down here. Every blade is different. And no, I didn't translate it for you. I'm sorry. Alright, we do have the dual, well I should say, one G10 textured one textured G10 black scale. There we go. Tongue-tied, didn't sleep a lot last night. You guys know sometimes I stumble all over myself. Oh yeah. The blade steel, I'm sorry, AUS 8 steel with a 58 to 59 Rockwell rating. What else did I screw up? But there we go. Alright, you got your black coated stainless steel frame with a frame lock and the locks system. Lake and Walker knife safety. Basically, look right there. Right down in there. You're going to see a part that's going to move. Do you see that? Basically, when you move that forward, you prevent the liner lock from closing. So it's a dual locking mechanism. You've got to move that all the way back, and then you can disengage the liner lock. It is not an automatic lock system. It's a manual one, which I kind of like. Now, we have one way to open this guy, which is the thumb disc paddle system. And it opens up really freaking sweet and really beautiful. I have had no issues with this guy. It just goes beautifully. We do have a lanyard hole. And yes, as you can probably guess, it is made in Taiwan. Alright, now let's do the cut tests that we love to do here on the channel. If you're curious why I do these three, take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for why I do those cut tests. Alright, first up, heavy duty stock paper. Oh yes. Of course, now that I say that, right? Alright. Let's try and get a curly cue, but get that out of the way. Well, it started to go. Okay. Right there at the very top. The reason why I try to get those curly cues is anybody can just take a blade, rip it across, and go sharp. But if you maintain your angle and you go slow, that paper should start to fold back in on itself. That way it's showing you there's no really micro abrasions or any real problem. I did see a little bit of paper there, but not much snowfall on there. Alright, the dreaded paracord from that batch that's been giving me fits. Oy vey, I can't wait till this bundle's done. I can't believe I have to prepare paracord. Alright, let's see what happens. Pull test. Hold on. Jesus. Gotta be that paracord. I hate that batch, I hate that batch, I hate that batch. Slice test. Right through, no problem. And yes, our friend Mr. Ratchet Strap is making his triumphant return to the channel. Little does he know, but I'm sure he does by now, what's in store for him. Right through, no issues. Alright, take a look like we always do. Don't see any damage, don't see anything. Okay. So, I did the homework and all that wonderful good stuff on this guy on 4/20/21. Yes, I know, 4/20, get over it. I'm shooting this video on 4/21/21. I looked on Amazon, CRKT, and Blade HQ. On Amazon, it's $103.99. It is Prime eligible. CRKT, $104.99, and Blade HQ, $89.95. Now, it's been reviewed 7 times on Blade HQ for a 4 1/4 out of 5-star rating. On CRKT, it's been reviewed 3 times for a 4 3/4 out of 5, and 265 times on Amazon for a 4.6 out of 5. Now, we're at the best part of the video for me. Seriously, this is one huge reason why I love doing these things. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that good stuff down below. Do you think it's a noise or an F-bomb? Noise or an F-bomb? And don't judge too harshly on those pull tests, because I swear to God, it's that batch of paracord that's been sitting in that tactical rope dispenser that I just swear that whole batch is giving me a fit. But still, whew. Alright, like I said, I loved it, had to have it to round out the whole set. But still, moving on. For you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you got lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful for the time you gave me today. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why? Why don't you leave me your answer right down below in the comment section, what I can do to maybe turn the course of history of this channel and gain your subscription. I mean, that's part of the fun, right? I give you a great video, hopefully you like what you see, I get a like and a subscribe. You never know. Now, if you've done all that fun stuff, please take a look right down here. In a moment or two, you're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you've knocked that out the park, if you so choose, please destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that will let YouTube notify you every time this channel uploads a video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, 2 will be popping up right over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at the James Williams CRKT Otanashi Noh Ken. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, an incredible day, and we'll see you in our next video.